Today is our latest variation on the Wheyffle. We're doing an egg, about 7 to 10 grams of fresh spinach chopped up, about a quarter cup, 50 grams of diced ham, and we're doing a no cheese in this one, so it's a no cheese Wheyffle, so maybe we should call it something else. And we're using protein powder, which is 25 grams of this raw grass-fed whey. So there's no flavoring, it's 100% whey and no additives. And we'll try that and see what it comes out like. So we have all the egg and the ham and the spice and the spinach all in the mixed up, and then we add in the protein powder, and we'll mix that all up and see what it comes out like. So here it all is mixed up. It's a nice doughy consistency, you can see. Now we'll heat up the waffle maker and see how it comes out. The waffle maker is all warmed up. We're going to spoon the ingredients in there. Okay, the ingredients are, the batter is all spread in the waffle maker, and we'll close it up and let it cook until the light turns green, and we'll be back in a minute again. Well, that was fairly quick, wasn't it? The light is turned green, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, looks pretty good. Let's get it out of there and test it out. Okay, here we are at the table. Our new experiment, as I usually like it, my Wheyffle, and I'm not sure what we should call this yet because it doesn't have cheese in it. It just has a little bit of butter on it. And we're going to taste this. This is a new one, so here we go. Well, it has the waffle consistency. You can definitely taste the ham more than ever, probably because the plain 100% whey protein powder has no flavoring to it at all. So you get more of the ham and spinach flavor in this and less of a waffle-y flavor. But it's good. I would recommend it for those of you who don't want the cheese. Another success story. I'll put the ingredients and breakdown nutrition-wise underneath the video.